Happy Wednesday, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to WeatherBug. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And how about the heat yesterday in the Central Plains and the Midwest? We'll talk about that a little bit. We'll also talk about the upcoming severe threat for this weekend. Just a little taste of some of the heat. Record high in Kansas City, 98 out in the Twin Cities there. That was a record. But notice some of these pinks and purple showing up from southern Minnesota into eastern Nebraska. It's where temperatures are anywhere from 15 to near 30 degrees above average. Today we'll still see some of the heat, but not quite as extensive. All right, so we had a number of triple digits showing up at records as far north as St. Cloud, Minnesota. We had 106 in Sioux City, Iowa, 101 in Omaha. And again, a number of 100-degree highs showing up, but not on this map. 91 in Kansas City, a record in St. Louis, a record also. So some of the heat may be nearing record highs out in the Ohio Valley, maybe in the Central Plains. But again, we should stay just below that in many spots. The heat does start to shape up a little bit more in the central and southern plains along the front range, but we're also looking at the potential of some thunderstorm activity to really ramp up. We have a storm system off into the Pacific that will push our way. So we have some lingering chillier air early this morning across the far north and east, but other than that, showers and storms beginning to really start to move on into the central part of the country. We had a few hail reports out near Milwaukee, or high wind reports rather, south of San Antonio, and then a couple of storm reports out in California. But as that next storm system that I showed you in the Pacific, as that begins to work into the central part of the country on Saturday, we have some severe weather. Sunday from Des Moines, Iowa down to Oklahoma City, and then on Monday that threat shifts a little bit farther off to the east. 5-day precipitation definitely looking more interesting up to the far north, and today again a few isolated storms down through Texas.